This is Aspire Sound Quick Drops, where I'm going to be sharing short Ableton projects to help kickstart your creativity. In this first video, I'll walk you through the sounds and layers that I use to create the track that you're hearing right now. Let's jump in. I'm going to start with a punchy techno kick, layer that with a transient, a plucky bass line. Moving on to the percussion, we've got a rolling closed hat, shaker loop, offbeat open hat, claps on the 2 and 4, delayed hi-hats, and claps, and a rolling percussion. For the synths, we got an acid stab, basic pluck melody, vocals from Splice, effects, we got a percussion with reverb, a detuned saw with a bandpass filter on it, a tonal uplifter layered with a noise uplifter, and a breath sample for a downlifter. And all up we got this.